dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start English chapter number 5 Animal Welfare. Man's greed knows no bounds. Many animals are tortured for his entertainment. Parrots, peacocks, and pigeons are killed for fun and for their feathers. Some animals are hunted for sports. Many are killed to cater to the needs of the fashion market. Many are hunted for the factory. ठीक है, मैन जो आर्मी है उसकी लालच की वजह से कितना मतलब जानवरों को नुकसान होता है, कितने ही जानवर टॉर्चर करे जाते हैं एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए, कितनों को टॉर्चर किया जाता है जैसे पैरट, तोता है, मोर है, कबूतर है, और कितनों को मारा जाता है फन के लिए, उनके फीदर्स के लिए, कितने ही जानवरों का शिकार किया जाता है स्पोर्ट्स में यूज करने के लिए, और कितने ही जो है फैशन मार्केट में चीजें लाने के लिए कितने जानवरों को ही मारा जाता है. Some animal species are massacred because of the belief that their organs have medicinal value. कि बहुत से जानवरों को मारा जाता है मेडिसिनल वैल्यू के लिए. द बिलीव दैट द rhino's horn is a stimulant has become the cause of a large scale killing. Some animals are rather unique and cannot adopt new ways of life. The lion-tailed macaque can live with only our real forests of the Western Ghats. So as these forests are being chopped down, the natural habitat of the macaque is being lost. Same is the case with most animals as more and more forests are destroyed. Even packs, which the people buy for their pleasure, are mercilessly abandoned when they become old or suffer from incurable diseases. In abandoned pet usually dies of starvation and negligence. Stray dogs are considered dangerous as they are the potential carriers of injection diseases like rabies. Every day, hundreds of dogs which roam about freely in the streets are caught and killed by the municipal authorities to prevent the disease. Like us animals to have a right to life, they also have मतलब जो है एक जानवरों को भी जीने का अधिकार है. They also have emotions and feelings. Even viping and starting majestic beasts like and tigers will be most reluctant to obey the ringmaster. To derive fun from seeing animals is not right. Section 2 of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act lists various forms of cruelty. The violation of the act is punishable till circuses are banned. है ना? We should ensure that the animals performing there are well looked after and are treated humanly. In an age of very sophisticated electronic entertainment, do we really need such a primitive form of entertainment? है ना, सर्कस में भी जो है जानवरों को बैन कर दिया है काफी साल पहले, बहुत साल पहले की बात है जब सर्कस में जानवर होते थे. In fact, a circus comprising only humans is very exciting to witness with amazing skills and impeccable timing. These performers make us marvel at their feat. They can show us how much control a man has over his body and how quick his responses. और इवन आपने मतलब देखते हैं हम लोग कि सर्कस में जो लोग परफॉर्म करते हैं इतने अच्छे उसमें इतनी टैक्टिक से जो है वो अपना परफॉर्म करते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छे लगते हैं. जानवरों से अच्छा है कि इंसान इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं सर्कस में, सारी चीज़ों का उन्हें एक्सपीरियंस होता है. Some countries like Sweden have enacted laws forbidding wild animals from being made to perform in a circus show. Denmark has also passed a legislation that wild animals must not be used in circuses. In many European countries, local municipalities prohibited circuses which have animals at from holding shows in their cities. Hunting is not a sport but sheer cruelty. हंटिंग कोई स्पोर्ट नहीं है ना, ये एक निर्दयता है. And it should be banned completely. Forests, the natural habitats of animal have to be conserved. All animals, insects, birds are meant together create harmony, maintaining the ecological balance. Caring for animals generate a warm feeling. Zoo can contribute a lot to animals' welfare. It maintain will. A zoo can provide shelter to a lot of endangered species of animals and birds. Pets are not just for melting eyes and wagging tails. They require both food and water. खाना और पानी से ज़्यादा भी उन्हें चाहिए, उन्हें प्यार चाहिए, वो प्यार की भाषा समझते हैं क्योंकि उनके अंदर इमोशन और फीलिंग्स होती हैं. दे नीड लव एंड केयर सेम एज ह्यूमन चाइल्ड, है ना, जैसे इंसान के बच्चे होते हैं ना, उन्हें भी जो है केयर और प्यार चाहिए. इफ वी कैन प्रोवाइड दिस only then we must buy a pet. If the children say a farm no to circuses using animals, the mood plea of these voiceless animals will be here. Let's learn to love animals, care for them and protect them. The decision we take today can affect the generation to cow. So not to be harm animal, anybody. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understand full chapter. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you everyone.